What will we do? Take a picture, right?
Want to take a picture.
Hello guys. Hello. We will take a picture. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to tell you about how the condition and situation about the camp in Paris. As you know, last week I have joined a two-wheel camp, which I learned about the structure and reading, listening, and tips and tricks how do the test of two-wheel. So I have made a short vlog with English because in that area we have obligation to speak English. Even though my English isn't well, even though this time my English isn't well too, either in pronunciation, grammar or structure or others, but I hope you just enjoy this video. If you want to give me comments, give your best critics and best advice. Don't judge. Okay? So let's enjoy the video. Let's check it out. Halo Mbak Rila. Come on guys. Hurry up, hurry up. Hello guys, right now I want to make a room tour in Logico camp. This is a camp for ladies in Elvas, our course, and we should speaking English in here because this is English area. So if you want to watch until the end, let's check it out. Here we have a parking area for bicycle and shoes. You can see. Hello guys, can I shoot you? I know you because you not wear your belt. But how about you? Are you wear your?
Yes.
Really? We cannot shoot them. They are eating and watching television. So 11 room. Any people in here? You can see the room. Only one room in there. And then this is the 10th room. That will make me tired. So let me check our room. This is my room. Is number 9. You can see my name.
Just make sure that you already know.
Okay, this is my room. Consists 4 people. And this is my friend. Will be prayer duha. Hello, Miss Ega.
Hello,
What are you doing?
I want to pray a duha.
Wow, so diligent people.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm sorry for the crowded room. There are 2 people sleeping and playing their handphone. Let's be. This is 8 room, and I think there consists 4 people too. Can I knock? Sorry guys, many people in here using hijab, and this is Miss
Rina,
Hi Miss Rina. What are you doing?
with my best but what to say. Sorry, my.
This is a complete room.
No.
No.
Yeah, because Ica go to CFD. And,
Ah.
and room in here.
Yes, I see. Okay, thank you Mbak Dina. Check other room. And this is the other room. You can see it's consists six people. Hey Miss, I'm sorry. You can I see the room because I want to take much video. And this is our tutor in this camp, Miss Yuni. And this is sick room. And then this is the last of room, number 5 room. This is our things for take a bath. And there is the stair.
Where is Jakarta?
Okay guys, that's my room tour, only short video. I'm sorry because limited time and many of us using hijab, so we can interview more. Hi, what will we do? Take a picture, right? Hello guys. Hello. We will take a picture. Can you tell me what we will do after this?
We will take a photo. So
Oh.
in picture with Felix and Krista.
Oh, so sad because they will go back to their campus. Bye bye guys.